Guys, if you're still wondering whether if you want to join FTMO, I suggest you sign up now.
FTMO in the picture now, providing up to $400,000 account in capital. It's amazing for traders. So if you know what you're doing, if you have a plan that you've tested, FTMO is a great platform for you.
Why FTMO?
I would say the best customer service I've ever experienced with any prop firm. Once you have a funded account, you'll realize for sure they look after their traders 100%.
If you want to, take your life to the next level, if you want to take your trading to the next level, then definitely look at these guys. Such a fast support network as well, such a fast growing community, and I'm excited for the future. So yeah, thank you guys, much love.
There's a chance for aspiring traders to manage an account and make large sums of money.
If you say why FTMO, I would say the simplest and effective website. The metrics is just amazing. It saves half of your time when you do the journaling end of the day, because all the data is just there.
I think FTMO is probably the best thing out right now. It really helps traders.
Definitely go for it if you're a serious trader.